I bet you've seen videos like this and thought, wow, that's cool. But it's probably really hard to make. What if I told you it was easier than it looks, and that we can actually make something similar today? That's right. In just over a minute, we're going to look at 4 different text-to-video AI tools. We'll see what they do, why they're useful, and how we can make our own dynamic hooks in just a few seconds. Let's get started. So the first thing you might be wondering is, what is text-to-video AI? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. You enter in some text, and it generates a video based on that text. But why would we want to use this? Well, firstly, it's incredibly fast. We'll see how quick it is in just a second. And secondly, you don't need any video editing skills to use it. Let me show you a few examples. Here we have Pictory. All you do is enter in your text and then choose an exported video length. Then you click Create Video, and within seconds it will generate a video like this. And here's another tool called InVideo AI. Again, we enter in our text, and we can choose from a range of different templates. So we'll click on Restaurant Tour. Now let's click on Generate. And in a matter of seconds, it's created this video. And finally, we have Synthesia. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but again, we enter in our text. And this time, we have the option to choose an avatar. So let's go with this one and generate the video. And there we go. This is the output video. Now let me quickly show you how you can import these clips into a video editor. It's super simple. Just drag and drop the video into the project. And then you can do things like add a background, change the aspect ratio, and export it as a normal video. Now that you know how easy it is to generate these AI clips, let me leave you with a few tips on how to write good text prompts. Tip number 1, be specific. Instead of saying, create a video about dogs, try create a video about a golden retriever puppy playing in the park. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll get. And tip number 2, if you want your AI videos to look a certain way, describe that in your text prompt. For example, create a cinematic video of a cat running through the jungle. By doing this, you'll increase the chances of getting the results you want. And finally, tip number 3, don't be afraid to iterate. If you don't get the results you want the first time, try changing up your prompt and generating again. With a little bit of experimentation, you'll be able to create some amazing AI videos. Now, if you want to take things to the next level, check out the description for some awesome free trials and discounts on AI tools. Now, combining the power of text-to-video AI and an online video editor gives you endless possibilities for creating dynamic and engaging videos. So give it a try and let your creativity run wild. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.